Alright guys, after some research trying to find a good water system, I come across Grayl, and looks like a good product, good filter, purifier bottle you can use anywhere with no questions asked, good reviews. And I just got my box today, so let's just see what's in this thing. Christmas morning, huh? Grayl Geopress. And they also had on here, if you bought one, that you could get a one of their camp cups. So, and I got an extra filter just in case to have, you know, that way you don't have to wait on it when when the other one expires. So that'd be handy to have. Don't have to worry about shipping and ordering one. Kind of light. And this is their, what they call their camp cup. It's really light. A little double clip carabiner. Plastic. A little soft grip here. I love the color green. Well, that'd be interesting. And Grayl Geopress Purifier. 5 liters per minute with total of about 250 liters per cartridge. It's interesting. Yeah. Well, I can't wait to try this out. I'm actually getting ready to go on a little walkabout, stretch my legs a little bit, so I may just bring this little unit along and see how it works. And if I do, then I'll definitely do another video with it on how everything works out with it. But yeah, I'm kind of excited about this. This is a one-all, do-all. Maybe a little bit heavy, especially for your ultralight fans and such, but you know, considering that you can put it in any kind of water and get pure, good quality water out of it, it's definitely a benefit and a plus. Alright, well, there's the unboxing of the Grayl Geopress Purifier with the extra Geopress filter and a little camp cup. It's cute. It might be good having some coffee in or something other one, you know. Travel cup. Alright. See you soon.